Hello guys and welcome back to the garage. As I mentioned, this speedometer that I bought from Zip doesn't work correctly. It's very slow to get up to speed and down to zero when you stop. So this doesn't work as it should. And I tried this also with electrical drilling machine and a cable and sieved, so it wasn't something wrong with my gear down in the front fork or something, but it isn't, it's the same. So this doesn't work correctly, and I'm trying to get my money back, send this back and get my money back, but Zip and their customer support is no fun. That's the downside of shopping at Zip. They question everything, so that's how it is. Hopefully I can send it back and get my money back. Instead, I bought this Zip speedometer and rev counter 2.1 Lusso style. So this is an upgrade from the 2.0, and I have a video. I will do a link to this video on how to install this, because this is the same installation procedure as the 2.0. So I don't need to show you that in this video. Check the link and I will. You can go in there and check how to do this. Let's open this up. So this is how it looks. So some features this has that the 2.0 doesn't have is that it has a gear display, it has a voltage reading, and a target speed and a target distance in this. So that's pretty much it. And there is another one that's more modern looking, but I think this suits the bike better with the old style, so that's why I choose this one. And it's also a bit cheaper than the cool looking one. And here are all the components that you need to install. We have this button here to scroll through the menus, and I saw that actually you can buy one of these with a button on the built in here on the underside of this that you can use instead of the button that comes in the package. So that's kind of nice, but I'm going to go with this one. So as I mentioned, I have a video of this. I've dropped a link in the description of the video. Check that out if you want to know how to install this. I'm going to remove my speedo cable and put in this speedo sensor instead, because I had this lying in my garage since before. So I think this is a good option to buy to the speedometer. So I'm installing this instead here. Looking at this looks the same as the previous version, apart from this brown wire here. And this is the one going to the positive pole of the battery to indicate the voltage on the display. So that's why this is here. I'm going to pull this cable through that goes to the temperature sensor that goes here, and I don't want to remove the fuel tank. So what I'm trying to do is that I'm pushing in this wire here, and I've loosened the rear brake, and it comes out here, so I can pull. So I can attach this here and pull it through to the back, and then I will go with this from the upside and down to here and pull it up. That's my plan. I hope it works, so I don't need to remove the fuel tank. Okay, now it's through in this end, and I have to do the same procedure in this end up to the steering head. Okay, that worked actually really good. It was nice not to have to remove the fuel tank. So now I just need to connect this to the spark plug, and then I have all my cables ready to connect to the speedo. Now it's done. This is how it looks, and it's pretty much as the other one, 2.0, just another layout. And this works with the speed. I can do it like this and get speed directly. So that's good. That's it for this time. See you in the next one.